Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through mass production. Guys, I am skipping the topic of funding and Internet of Things startup, guys, because the theory seems to be really confusing for me. So that is the reason why I'm just skipping it. So please go through the theoretical part. Okay. So basically mass production or mass manufacturing. Okay. So basically whenever a product is required by lots and lots of people, the thing that a industrialist will do is nothing but he will do a mass production of that particular product in bulk. So basically he will be creating the same component thousands of copies and keeping them ready. Even there is no requirement of sales right now, he thinks that there could be a potential use or potential need of it in future. So he will be mass producing it and he will be storing near him. Okay, yes. So the best examples are nothing but for these are IoT kits, guys. So the IoT design kits. Okay, so we talked about those PC, so those Arduinos and all those things, right? So basically these devices are produced in bulk and they are okay, and they are kept ready all the time. So basically whenever someone wants, they can automatically buy from the store, guys. So in that way they are manufactured. Okay, so that is all about kits, guys. So in example you can write Arduino kits, AVR kits, Node U, I think so. I don't remember the exact name. So that is also about Raspberry Pi. There are multiple things, guys. You can just Google them and you can write them. Okay, yes. So these all comes under here, guys. So basically the chargers, the cables and everything will be coming here. Okay. Similarly, the PCBs, the printed circuit boards. So basically there are multiple websites online. So you need just the outline how you want. So assume that you done an IoT project in which around 6 sensors need to be connected in some particular way. Okay, in that situation you will not get a particular board adjusted for it, right? Yes. So in that situation you will design your own board, guys. Okay, so you will design your own board and they call it something I don't remember exactly. So those boards look just like our breadboard. So I think everyone knows about breadboard, right? Yes, which we used in basic electronics and multiple labs till now, right? Yes. So it looks like that only. It will have multiple holes in which you can place your sensors and you can solder from the backside and your circuit will be filled and everything will be working fine. So this concept is about the PCB. So even these can be mass produced, guys. If you keep an order, they will be delivering it to your home. That just you need to design it in some software and you can just deliver it, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea, right? Yes. So similarly manufacturing the PCBs, in that you can, so you designed it, right? So whenever you are manufacturing, you can do multiple things, like you can do some boarding things. After that you can add some third party manufacturing. So basically you can add some more assembly as per your requirement, your kits and your sensor. So basically you can keep your sensor in that place, right? So the design you give will be according to your sensors, so you can place them exactly. You can assemble them all the way on the PCB board and then you can test it, guys. So you can soldering. So I think it's written here about soldering and all those things. Okay, you can just go through it, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so once it is done, you can even get the certifications and scaling up software. So basically certifications are nothing but some kind of security and all those things, and you can scale up the software also. So basically whenever you want to change some small things, components or hardware or kits, or for any kind of security purpose or any kind of purpose, you can just change them and scale up your software, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea, right? So just to give me a second, guys, I will be showing you an image of PCB so that you can remember it, right? Just give me a second. Okay, guys, they'll be looking in this way, guys. So basically these are some boards, right? So they will not have chips. Like you need to place your own components on them. Just give me a second. If there is any pic, I can show you. Okay, so it will be in this way. So you need to place the components and you need to solder them. So in that way, so based on your requirement, based on your shape, based on your size, you can do it, right? Yes. So are there any, so here it will be in this way you will be getting, guys. So you'll just get the holes and the names of that particular things that you need to place there, like the sensors and all those things. Okay, and you can just place them and solder from the backside to get it. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about this concept of PCB and mass manufacturing. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about the ethical issues in IoT. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.